So we got in a new keyless entry lock. I'm gonna put it in right here. This is from akagear, model DS10 keypad digital deadbolt. I'm gonna get it opened up, check it out, and then get it installed. So we have in the box here our installation guide, mounting hardware, got our mounting screws, part of our hardware. Have our inside part. This is where it will go inside. This will mount on the outside with our keypad, fingerprint sensor, and just in case all that goes bad, you still have a key. Comes with 2 keys, and of course your bolt right here, mounting plate. We're gonna get it installed now. Put your plate on the door, and then you attach, plug your plug in, and then you'll attach this backside with the bolt. All right, we got it on there. Now we're going to get it programmed. Okay, we got it on there. Like I said earlier, you got your fingerprint, you got your keypad, and you have a key in case the batteries go dead. So just keep the batteries changed and you don't have to worry about it. Definitely something worth having. We like it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.